Hey Tubebuilders, this YouTube automation channel generated over $20,000 by using Leonardo AI generating all their footages. And if you take a closer look, this channel was started only a few months ago and they got almost 6 million views, which is insane considering how simple it is to do such videos. In this video, we'll uncover the secret strategy used by viral faceless creators to make their AI content get millions of views. But that's not all. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, I'm also gonna share how exactly you can start your YouTube automation channel even if you're in the 9 to 5 and you don't have time. But be careful, because if you don't do one key step with Leonardo AI, then you might not be accepted into the YouTube partner program. Alright, so what do you need to first use Leonardo? You need image prompts first. But how can you get those image prompts? You can use Gemini or ChatGPT for free. And now let me show you how you can model this STOIC channel's viral scripts in 2 simple steps. Now let me very quickly remind you that if you head on to tubebuilders.co, you will find a lot of free stuff I prepare for you and I will keep it updated. A very quick reminder, there are 8 key elements of viral video, and in this video we are going to be having a look at the script and the footages generated by Leonardo AI. First you need the script, but how can you easily model the viral script without spending ages on it, right? Alright guys, now we get to the exciting part. In the Word document I left 2 prompts for you. So first of all, you need to copy and paste the first prompt in ChatGPT. And how I got this title is I just went on STOIC journal, I go to videos, I filter it to popular, and you can model the most popular videos. Now let's jump back and copy paste this prompt. I told it to generate me a 35 minutes long YouTube video. The key here is to have at least 6,000 words. So if you want to do longer videos, you can say 7,000, 8,000, alright? Now guys, the key here is that ChatGPT, neither Gemini will generate you a 6,000 words long script first. You need to provide follow-up prompts. So let's jump back into our Word document and let me show you how it works. So I left you follow-up prompts. You can ask it, is the above 6,000 words? And can you expand so it exceeds 6,000 words? And then you need to repeat it until you are okay with it. Now you can check the number of words at wordcounter.net. You insert your script and you can see that how many words, how many characters, and how much reading time. Or you can do it in separate sections. So you start with a 10-minute script and another 10-minute script and another 10-minute script. Most people will not tell you this. They just tell you that, okay, generate this 5-minute STOIC script. But at the end of the day, you need these follow-up prompts and you need to think a bit logically how you can insert this script together. Now let me share with you the Leonardo image prompt, the quick way how you can generate AI footages in Leonardo. So if you jump back into a Word document, I left a prompt for you. So this is the prompt which you need to copy and you go back to Leonardo. You can try it for free, but after that, you will need to have at least the basic subscription. You go on image generation and you insert your prompt and you will generate your picture. Now, while it's generating the picture, I show you that we set it to quality 16.9, large image. We needed one number of image, and in the advanced settings, I picked Leonardo Kino XL. If you jump back to legacy mode, and you can insert the number of images to number 8, and you can play around the settings as well, the input dimensions. If you want to keep it simple, you go back to the new version and then Leonardo will generate images like this based on this prompt. Now, if you want another one, then you can generate another one. And then once it's generated, you can download these images and you will put them all together in CapCut. And then you will also need a voiceover. All right, guys, so now we have the image prompt and now you can generate lots of pictures. But here's the point which I mentioned to you at the beginning. If you don't pay attention to this, your channel might not be monetized in the future. If you go back to Leonardo and you go back to motion, select one of your previously generated images and you would need to set this motion between 3 to 6. You can play around and you can leave it in private mode so you are the only one who can see this. Now, if you click on generate, then a few seconds later, you can see that Leonardo generated us a picture with motion. Now you can also animate your pictures in CapCut or whatever editor you are using, but it looks much better and your chances are much higher that you can be easily monetized with YouTube. For example, this picture I generated for the history case study we made together in the other video. You can see that this picture is much better. Alright, so this is the very simple way how you can utilize Leonardo AI and start creating a faceless YouTube channel based on viral videos you can find on YouTube. As part of the next steps, you will need a monetizable AI voiceover, which you can find it on Elevenlabs, where you can filter all different types of voices based on whether it's a narrative, a story, a conversation, or anything. Now the STOIC channel would be a narrative one, and you can start going through the different samples. And then you can click on filters, check the age, Now for STOIC, we would look for an older or middle-aged person, a male voice. This sounds okay, so you can add it to your voices. So it's our STOIC voice. Now you can see that other people also do this. The good sign for you is that these are still trending videos, and even the most popular videos, several thousand views per day. You paste your script and you can pick your voice here and then generate the speech, right? So I would recommend not go over 500 characters here, because otherwise the AI voice can sound a bit odd. And also you can play around here with the settings, and then you can simply download it, and then you will be packing these voiceovers in CapCut. Again, I would highly recommend you to check the full 1-hour tutorial I made, and there we go step by step how you can create a whole video together with AI. If you don't know what sort of channel name you need for your YouTube channel, then just type namelix.com and you generate some business names based on one simple keyword, STOIC. And then you can also give some additional names here and it starts generating the names for you. I hope you took some value away, and see you in the next video.